Hello, my name is Gerald Carson. I and my lovely wife of 54 years live in beautiful Las Cruces, enchanting New Mexico. I am a ballroom dancer and president emeritus of a ballroom dance organization. I have sold home health care long-term insurance for over 20 years. I have over 1,000 clients located all over the United States. If you have questions about this home health care insurance or want quotes, contact me directly. My cell phone number, 575-639-3993. Toll free, 1-877-500-0764. My email address, geraldcarson77@gmail.com. I'm available for calls 24 hours daily, 7 days weekly, 52 weeks a year. Home health care long-term insurance pays for care in your home. It also pays for care in an assisted living facility and a nursing home, wherever you choose to receive care. This insurance has another name: stay out of a nursing home insurance. Home health care long-term insurance provides lots of money to receive care in your home. If you do not have lots of money for home care, you go straight to a nursing home. Medicaid, compliments of federal and state governments. Home caregivers enable you to remain in your home. They provide for your personal care needs, keep your home safe and sanitary, do the laundry, wash dishes, drive you to the doctor, help with grocery shopping, assist with bill paying, and more. Home care long-term insurance covers these services. More people will be able to stay home with the innovations in technology. I'm speaking about artificial intelligence, robotics, communications, and medicine. There are telemedicine, pharmaceuticals, and therapeutic treatments. So, what are the reasons for buying home health care long-term insurance? You don't want to be a burden on family, on spouse, on children. You don't want to be dependent on the federal government for care. That's Medicaid. You go straight to a nursing home. You want to have choice. Receive care at home. If you have this insurance, you choose who comes through your front door to take care of you. If you have this insurance, you choose the facility you go to. No money, others choose for you. You want to avoid growing old and being broke. More people will love you and care about your welfare if they think you have money. You want peace of mind, knowing every night when you go to bed you have a plan for your care if needed. What does long-term care cost? National averages: 3 hours of home care daily will cost $28,000 annually. Average care in an assisted living facility will cost $54,000 annually. A semi-private room in a nursing home will cost $90,000 annually. How do you qualify for benefits? Either of two ways. If you have an illness, injury, or the feebleness of old age and need help with at least 2 of the 6 activities of daily living, you qualify. An alternative criterion: if you have a significant cognitive impairment, you qualify. The activities of daily living, which I mentioned earlier briefly, are needing help with dressing yourself, bathing yourself, feeding yourself, performing normal toileting hygiene, incontinence, and transferring from bed to standing. Any 2 of these types of activities you need help, you qualify for benefits. Significant cognitive impairment means loss of short-term memory or inability to perform abstract reasoning. If your physician observes significant impairment in these capabilities, you qualify for benefits. You decide where you want to receive care. The vast majority of people, including you no doubt, 90% in fact, want to receive care at home. If you have home care, health insurance, or lots of your own money, that's where you receive care. How long must you wait to begin receiving benefits once you qualify? There is no wait if you begin at home. If you begin receiving benefits in a facility, that is, assisted living facility or a nursing home, you will have a wait, usually 90 days. What determines where you decide to receive care? If you can get around with the help of someone at home, need help for a few hours daily, and have home care long-term insurance or lots of money, you can remain in your home. If you need many hours of help daily, if you have home care long-term insurance or lots of your own money, you may remain home or choose to move into an assisted living facility. If you need round-the-clock skilled care, if you have a robust benefits home health care long-term insurance policy or lots and lots of your own money, you can remain home, or else they will put you under a nursing home. I want to provide my contact information, again, for those of you who've heard enough and want to ask questions without further ado. My cell phone number, 575-639-3993. Toll free, 1-877-500-0764. Email address, geraldcarson77@gmail.com. I'm available anytime you want to call me. You need to be in good health to qualify for this insurance. This is the information that I need from you to provide quotes. Your domestic status, single, married, or committed to a significant other for at least 3 years. Your date of birth, if any medications, for what reason, if diabetes, your A1C score, your height and weight, any hospitalizations past 5 years, reason, treatment, outcome, any surgeries the past 5 years, reason, treatment, outcome, if tobacco usage within the past 2 years. I need your mailing address, as this insurance is state-specific. I need it as well to send literature. It does not email well. You've heard a lot. You still may have doubts about needing home health care long-term insurance. You say, I won't need it. It would be money for premiums down a rat hole. My response to that is what Clint Eastwood said is, Dirty Harry, you feel lucky, punk. Well, the same applies to you needing home care long-term insurance. Here is the bet. If you are single, the likelihood that you will need long-term care for some period of time, a month, a year, 10 years or longer, is 50%. If you are married, either one or both spouses needing care, the likelihood is 75%. But you say, the government will pay for my care. The only government program is Medicaid. Almost everyone on Medicaid goes straight to a nursing home. You need to spend down your money, that's what we call it, to $2,000 countable assets. Make yourself into a pauper to qualify for Medicaid. Medicare does not pay for long-term care. Medicare does not pay for long-term care. Neither does your health insurance. But you got the ace in the hole, no sweat. My children will take care of me. The last thing you want is your children changing your diapers, feeding like a baby, bearing the idiocy of what you're saying and doing with dementia. Besides, they probably live several hundred miles away. I want to provide my contact information one last time for those of you who have faithfully listened to my story. You want quotes and literature? Call me 24/7. Try me, 3 a.m. My cell phone number, 575-639-3993. Toll free, 1-877-500-0764. You can text that cell number with all the information that I showed earlier, or you can send that information by email, geraldcarson77@gmail.com. Don't forget to include your mailing address. Well, do you feel lucky? If you do, go out, have a good time. Don't worry, everything will be just fine. If you're a planner, want to be prepared for potentially needing home health care, contact me right now. Do not procrastinate. Take care of your body, your mind, your soul.